good shape. Just leaving that left-hander's bat.
Perfect start. Seam angled into the left-hander. Almost looked like it was going to tail back, but just pitches and goes across the left-hander.
Runs. And Sharks are on their way with that single. Edge and gone through. It probably didn't carry. The keeper was just half-hearted, thinking, is it going to the first slip? But that is runs for Benkenstein.
Yeah, full bit of shape away from him, and that's where he's got the outside edge from. Wicketkeeper has to go there, especially because there's a gap between him and the first slip. Ideally, that ball, first slip, should just be going to his left to stop it. Have a look at this. Now, even if he was in the right slip position, I don't think that would have carried to him because he would have been slightly further back. Have a look there. The keeper's got to be going for that. And you can see.
That'll be the first extras. Didn't get hold of it. It was there to be hit. Quite full. He's lost the ball somewhere. Slightly shorter length this time. It's 7 for no loss. Yeah, that line is going to be easy work for Shamil Hussain, just to work it around for a single. And then they go about their work, which is why this opening pair has worked for the side. Oh, he's clipped it. I was just going to say, Tino, that what happens is he does tend to expose his leg stump when he tries to work something. It wasn't a very good delivery. Wasn't a wicket-taking delivery, but all he's done is he's just moved across a little too much.
He'll be disappointed with this because it's an opportunity to actually score. Look at that, how far across he gets to the leg side. He'll be disappointed. As you say, it's really not a wicket-taking delivery.
And to top that, he might find himself in trouble with the match referee. But he's whacked the stumps with his bat. Captain goes, and it's 9 for 1, Gwadar Sharks. And he's straight away off the mark with that boundary. Full on the pads, put away.
Yeah, line wrong, length wrong. And that's a gift, first ball up for Zulkifar. Timed it away nicely, got it fine of the man who's quite square.
That's a good ball. There's a delayed appeal on that. He's probably thought, did it hit the boot first?
That's the wicket delivery. And look at that. Yeah, that will definitely attract some attention from the match referee. Disappointed, yes, but that's a no-no.
Shot. There was width available, and Benkenstein won't spare.
Yeah, Nawaz width. Slightly shorter in length. Benkenstein strong through the offside. Just rolls the wrists nicely over that one. It's a boundary.
Bit of charge given, but there's protection available. Captains are understanding what their bowlers bowl. Nicely done through the line. It was too full, and Benkenstein just plays it with a straight bat.
Yeah, straight as an arrow. Over pitched. Just made sure that he hit through the line of the ball. Firmly struck.
Oh, he's missed it. It was slightly short and it's pulled away. That should have been stopped by the fielder at mid-wicket in the circle.
28 for 1. He's overcompensated, hasn't he? Ball before, 2 full and 2 straight. This one he's tried to pull the length back. It's not all that short, but short enough. 37 wickets to the spinners, 45 to the seamers.
Oh, that is a soft dismissal. That is a soft dismissal. That was a ball you never expect to take a wicket on. It would have been a wide, and what Zulkifal has done, he's given some catching practice to short fine.
Now, this is bizarre. Short, he can hit that ball anywhere he wants. I think he wanted to get it finer of that man. You can see him making a concerted effort to try and sweep the ball as fine as possible. His first wicket comes, Asfand. Probably one of the simplest wickets that he's got in his career. Shake of the head from Zulfikar. He has to go for 6. Gwadar Sharks, 30 for 2.
I would expect a similar one today. That's the wicket of Zulkifal. He's aimed for that player and gifted his wicket. Arafat goes off the mark with that single, and Gwadar now are 31 for 2 after 5.
Of course, they batted first in that match 3 and then bowled in match 5, securing wins. Second on the points table. That's a clean strike. Nice fluent swing and gets half a dozen. Good start to the innings for Minhas.
Arafat Minhas has been extremely impressive in this Pakistan Junior League. But apart from them, it has been the Rawalpindi Raiders who have done that. Gujranwala has struggled to set a target, so it's a very good toss for them to win. Like you said, Darren, on the pitch, that some extra water was given to balance it out. So very important toss to win. That's the last wicket of a bad delivery.
Great effort by the ground staff. And nice and cool as we approach the winter season here in Lahore.
Definitely after yesterday's rain, you can feel the chill in the air.
End of the power play, 9 runs coming from the 6th over, 40 for 2.